So Cisco is the worldwide leader in IT networking and cybersecurity. And what we do is basically help people and companies to connect, talk to each other, like communicate, as well as like collaborate. More than 80% of the internet traffic flows across our products. We conduct our business globally, but we manage it based on geographies. So that's pretty much it, who we are and what we do and how we operate. We have seen the rise of complexity of IT, and that combined with the shortage in expertise basically created a huge demand for simplicity, for techniques to cope with complexity. One clear trend that we've seen in the last couple of years is the rise of automation, the technique in which you can manage a massive amount of IT infrastructure with a limited amount of people. And that basically allows IT teams to focus on more creative things and tasks rather than react to issues, problems, boring stuff like configurations and stuff like this. What I've seen is Endava was a very successful company. One of the challenges of the successful companies is the ability to grow, to capture the opportunity of growing and be able to keep the pace. Support should help the growth of the company. My team did exactly that. So they basically helped Endava to grow, to sustain with IT infrastructure and cybersecurity that massive growth. In my view, the difference between a partnership and, let's say, classical vendor to customer interaction or relationship, in my view, is first about the time you invest to learn what the customer is all about. In a partnership model, you have to take your time, learn about what the company wants to do, the customer wants to do in detail. But at the same time, that time that you take as a sales guy and learn from the customer is one of the best investments of your time that you can do. Collaboration is hot right now, and so I see development of collaboration solutions and the adoption definitely as a key trend. And I think the trend now is to connect those two, because the companies like, for example, Endava will continue to go both ways. And that creates a lot of challenges in terms of connecting the two, maintaining consistency in terms of the way they are managing those two sort of infrastructures, maintaining consistency in terms of security policy and the way they secure those areas. I think that's a challenge as well as a trend for the future. And I think Endava will face this as well.